How to add is a fundamental math concept that involves combining two or more numbers to get a total, or a sum. To add numbers, start by lining up the numbers you want to add, making sure the place values are aligned. First, add the numbers in the ones place, which is the rightmost column, and write the sum below the line. If the sum is greater than 9, carry the excess to the next column. Next, add the numbers in the tens place, including any carried over value, and write the sum below the line. Continue this process for each place value, carrying over any excess to the next column. For example, to add 25 and 37, start by lining up the numbers. Add the numbers in the ones place, 5 and 7. To get 12, write 2 below the line and carry 1 to the tens place. Then add the numbers in the tens place, 2 and 3, including the carried over 1. To get 6. Therefore, the sum of 25 and 37 is 62. Best practices for adding numbers include using a consistent method, such as lining up the numbers and carrying over excess values, and double-checking your work to ensure accuracy. It is also helpful to use visual aids, such as number lines or counting blocks, to help understand the concept of addition. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can become proficient in adding numbers and develop a strong foundation in math.